Come, Dejan, come. Okay, go. That long. What is this? Magkay bigan.
Oh.
Nag-usap about sa girlfriend. Kare girlfriend ko malalagdagan ang dating. Sobrang sexy. Wala yung sa girlfriend ko. Kare yung akin pang, oh, they faded out. Model. Sobrang ganda na ang sexy. Sexy pa.
Oh my god.
Wala
Who wrote
yung
that?
girlfriend niyo sa girlfriend ko. Kasi simple yung siya, mahal ko yung tama.
Who wrote that?
Dexter.
Who's that?
I think it's a relative.
Of Jasper?
Of mine.
Of yours?
Hi!
Hi!
You're so hyper.
I am normal, okay? I'm normal.
Yeah, I'm a dog.
I'm PG. I'm PG. Yeah. It's so cool.
So you're walking to Daisy Mart, right? And a guy, so I think it was here actually.
Yeah, this is
A guy came up. Oh my goodness, I thought that was a real tiger. Oh my god, it's a dog!
That is such a sexy dog.
So a guy came out in his boxers, right? He's like, we were talking, and I'm like, Jennifer, when you grow up, and then he's like, when you grow up, you two are gonna get together and then marry. Don't ever get married. It's gonna be the worst thing that ever happens to you. And he's like, you got that? Yeah. Be strong. Stick to fight. I don't remember what he said after that. You know, like old 80s shit.
And I'm just like, thanks for the tips, man.
Yeah,
bro.
So he was walking by like this, like. At first I thought he knew this guy, right? So I was like, okay. And then his face was like, oh my god. And I'm like, oh, so he didn't know him.